GED reading, making inferences. The strategy that gets you points every time reading between the lines. An inference is a conclusion you draw from evidence in the text, something the author implies but does not state directly. You combine text clues plus your own logic to reach the answer. Text says, Maria grabbed her umbrella before leaving. Inference, it was raining or she expected rain. The text never says rain, you infer it. The 4-step inference strategy. Step 1, read the question, identify what you're inferring about. Step 2, go back to the text, find the relevant sentences. Step 3, ask, what does this suggest? What must be true? Step 4, eliminate answers that require facts not in the text inference traps, wrong answer types. Too broad, goes way beyond what the text supports. Contradicts the text, the opposite of what's implied. Outside knowledge, you know it's true, but the text doesn't support it. Question 1 of 2. Sarah entered the store with $40 and left with only a carton of milk and $2 in change. What can you infer? Option A, the store was having a sale. Option B, she had planned to buy more items. Option C, she ran out of money while shopping. Option D, she disliked the store's selection. Take a moment. The correct answer is C, she ran out of money while shopping. She spent $38 on a carton of milk. That implies she bought other items too, but she's only carrying milk. The most logical inference, she ran out of money before she could buy everything she wanted. Question 2 of 2. Marcus stared at the boxes stacked in his room. He ran his fingers along the wall where his posters used to hang, then sat on the bare floor. What can you infer about Marcus? Option A, he is excited about the move. Option B, he is nervous about making new friends. Option C, he does not want to leave his current home. Option D, he thinks the new house is too small. Take a moment. The correct answer is C, he does not want to leave his current home. The details, staring at boxes, touching where posters hung, sitting on the bare floor, suggest Marcus is sad and reluctant about moving, not excited. You scored 2 out of 2. Great work. Inference questions are the most common reading question type on the GED.